he's hanging on this nyari now, trying to get it down. There's only one in Gala, he's waiting for the other one to join. There you go. The roaches in here already. Just right, now the nyari is down.